Today what we're doing is a directional bore installing a new water line. So what this machine is behind me is a directional bore rig. We have the pipe. At the end of it there's a clock head, a locator. It's got a computer in it that tells us where we're at, how deep we are, the position up and down, left and right. So we can use this machine so we only have to make one hole in the yard, a smaller hole, and we can drill all the way into the water service inside the house and pull a new line back out with the pipe. It is a lifesaver. Landscaping, we don't have to have an open trench through the customer's yard. It's all contained in one smaller area, which is easier for us to restore. And of course, a lot better for the homeowner because none of their, everybody puts a lot of money and a lot of pride in their place. And if we can come in and leave a smaller footprint, we're much better off all the way around.